Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared calendar on Microsoft Teams. So first, you may want to run Microsoft Teams application on your desktop. And of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Calendar. To create a shared calendar, first, you may want to choose a specific day and time on the timelines. And say, for example, we're going to pick 21 Thursday at 12:30 a.m. So we're just going to click on this and a new window will then pop up. And from here, all you have to do is add details about your calendar, enter in more details about your calendar, such as dates and times, repetition, location, and more details. And in the right corner of your screen is the most essential part of this process, as you're going to need to change who can bypass the lobby. Since we want this to become a shared calendar, we're just going to switch from people who were invited to basically everyone. And of course, who can present, we're going to pick everyone. And once everything is set, just proceed by clicking on save. You can copy a link to this calendar to share it to everyone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!